to take you all the way to Lullaby Lake.
It's brushy time. Show them your teeth, Papa. Ooh, it's tickly.
The Lullaby Lake. Floating along, caught on a gentle breeze.
Hello, Fungi. Hello, Fungi. Hello, Alva.
Bubbles drift overhead, caught on a wisp of wind as you sail onwards. Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on the Lullaby Lake. MeMo, Baba, breathing deep. You're both on your way to me. The clickety-clack of the go-go tube bringing you to me. Are you ready for a story to send you to Beddybyes?
Yes, Grandma Liba.
It was a windy day, like today, when you played with your pinwheels.
They went round and round.
They certainly did. On the play tree, the wind visited again and helped you to fly a beautiful kite with the Tweeties.
Thank you, wind.
And with the Yummies, you discovered another way to play with the wind. You created some musical wind chimes.
Pretty music. So pretty.
The breeze gently blew you onwards as you followed a lullaby home. To the Bay of Books, where I tell the story of two little friends and their busy, windy day, side by side, safe and snug. Now it's time to close our eyes. Good night, MeMo. Good night, Baba. My sleepy, breezy friends.
Where's the lovely sound? Oh, hello, Eily Whale. It's Eily Whale's sound. Eily Whale is singing.
And what a wonderful, beautiful song it is. An Eily Whale song.
Hello, Fungi and Pungi.
Eily Whale sings a precious song as you sail on the Lullaby Lake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. You're both on your way to me. Clickety-clack goes the go-go tune. Are you ready for a story to send you to Beddybyes?
Yes, Grandma Liba.
It was a day like today when you both blew raspberries. It was cheeky and very funny.
Funny.
Then you heard a beautiful noise and just had to find it. And with the help of panpipes, you set out on a sound hunt. From the land of the yummies who shared their carrot snack,
Yum.
to the lullaby lake where you found the mystery sound, the sweetest song ever, Eliwale's song. It serenaded you to the Bay of Books, where I tell the story of two little friends and their busy day, side by side, safe and snug. Now it's time to close our eyes. Good night, MeMo. Good night, Baba, my sleepy sweet friends.
Yummy dog, do you want to ride in the cart? Yummy ride, let's go! Look at the wheels, MeMo. We're making them go round and round. I'm tired now. And I'm hungry.
Come and eat, MeMo and Baba.
This pasta is really good. Really, really good.
Does Yummy Dog want another ride?
Another ride!
It won't move. Too tired. I have a really good idea.
Reach high, up to the sky.
Last ride.
Hi, MeMo!
Bye, yummies. Thank you for the snacks. See you soon.
The sun is low. It's time to head to the lullaby lake.
It's brushy time. Show them your teeth, Baba. Oh, it tickles.
The lullaby lake.
Fungi and fungi look like wheels. Wheels.
Happy wheels going round and round as you sail on the water. Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on the lullaby lake. MeMo, Baba, breathing deep. You're both on your way to me.
I like the tinkly sound of the water. Tinkly.
Oh, Baba, we'd forgotten about those hiccups.
If Baba forgets about the hiccups, they might go away.
You're right, MeMo. Maybe we can help Baba think about something else.
Oh, look, Baba. Here comes your yummy smoothie.
Reaching high, sky.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, yummies. Bye.
The sun is low. It's time to head to the Lullaby Lake. MeMo and Baba gently breathing in and out, in and out.
Pretty song, fish singers. Have your hiccups gone now, Baba? Hiccups gone. Hello, Fungi. Hello, Pungy.
Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips slowly in the sky. It shines on the Lullaby Lake. Breathing gently, breathing deeply. You're both on your way to me.
3 things to play with. 3 things to choose from. A tambourine. A ukulele. A flute. No, Baba, it's a recorder. Play the recorder.
How did I know you'd choose that?
I can't play, but you just started. Okay, it's the tick-tock clock. It's yummy time! Go, go, rocket! 1, 2, 3, go! See you soon. Thank you, Play Tree.
All the way to Yummyland.
Yummy!
Blue.
Red.
Green.
Yellow! Yummy carrot cake. No, it's too hot.
Oh, thank you.
We have to wait for it to cool.
Why don't you play something while you wait?
Yes, play some music, MeMo and Baba.
I can't play.
Please.
Blow nice and slow. See? You're getting better. Still can't play. You can. Listen.
Well done, MeMo and Baba. What a lovely, happy tune.
Yay!
The cake is ready to eat. Come join us.
Flitterbugs.
Yes, flitterbugs, doing their own dance to a special song.